mwancho murigereria karogendrete kwego kikubati miroberio nsigataseni kya Ndizi TV na bobwansu bwo Gusii cyaragire Chinsa Ikomi cyabona mugoroba cinga kingo kwarigania SMS Amayia nkumenyimna nara yana kwariganire asenchera ere eyobwenge gendra tunyora sensemo ya Facebook wetra Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube watunyora wetra Ndizi TV News ase website ito na bokuya somo wetra www.ndizitv.net eri otogendre gusanga asogwamo. Everlyne Osero Kevin Mugaminero kwene kiachipitaniro gichawe kera senchre yabenengo kwariganio be kogosanka 90 wikomerio Amayia ya Chinsa Ikomi senchre yobwenge etoya chaka korwase county ya Kisii wase abarai au baba wekrana ase musangerekano bugo chengera chikanisa ase ensemo ya eto no ground yo toke mebunge yabo machoge burabu abarai yabo gatiabo no mubunke oborabu badia barongo mubunke obo machoge chache mono mubunge o South Mugrango Silvana Osero yatia baraibanda banke nonyana banigo eburaburu yabaga kwanekiwa ase omoyegoyo haboritangani ase buraburu gose ababwatani bali barenke aso musangirayo bachaka wakeriogi chingaki omochumbe omachoge burabu badia baronga bakagwikirana engana yabage ko gego irera abanyanyimbo wesona nigati na koreta obo toereru korende ekero mubunke okitutu chache South Kibagendi abakagotera nakubwatuka enkwana yaye nigo boigo abantu bachaka kumugerera akoirera kiburaburu kweneke wasenseme yogento kerera abanyanyimbo gotumeka amariyo kiyo kurusia bariga maiso eriyo koreta obo toereru nonyana bo obadia barongo nigaboria abamenyi bekinsemecho koba abatoereru erinde kweneke buno musangirikano yobereka wikarana asenchera ebwene tatonda sensemeyo torebna nara yaya abakago koreka
because mandinto katakita bagani bakoreki ndokata bagani bakorete baji one saka ngabune achemanzo bantu na sorode te baise korore kanali tukoni one sengejo na inu mwaga ire mono mwaro sie ntagete barangeria bagani baino bachiche babeki chibesaga kuruororo getena abagani baino gete ketena ba andana baino bas tigatora angeria bagani baito bachiche atoe chibesa kegetaria monene ligendere koimukeri bamogwanja baino no musangerekano bako goturubani wabano muri cyo miliri Momanyi nabegete kambya Chinsa mecho nacho tumanyia amanke buna emerubire kendreto korekana ase ensemeyo totena nayo nigo abamenyi korwase ekinyoro kya Nyosia yo toka se sub location ya Nyosia location ya Bogeka Musocho division sub county ya Kitutu Central baba weso kya na kwemurunganeria gosari wawe transformer ase Chinsa mecho obotko bogokera rero kurengana barabo nigo ekarachinga kibara lete butubukira rero nigo batigete estima kiroro kurende karababo kamambia banyora estima teyo na ekarabachi wekera na se transforme yore banyora bunanigo etawire yento kyaberera waka oroboti ase ABC iyo mugambi bwechinse mecho banyana bonigo babiri batawuna negento kyaletre umuchando monene kogere binke gosebinte binge bakora nigo bagotumeka estima nigo baburi esemetenere to burendi kwene kyabuna engane yo yaberege kubwatuwa asobo na bali babeta bakore kyo beba kurigiwa na kwimukeriwa egetamkiro kebwenerete ase baburirie ababwatani korwase company ryeterere to kubeka chinguru cyomuriro kwene kyabuna babere bakwango yo murubire ubwo kubabekera estima eriyo korobya obokoreri bwabo bwakirengaki nigo bayigo bamburire mu cyumbe okitutu cyache South Handon Kibagendi akurigereria engane yo na kwene kyabuna banyorire oburabu
Njasa Marieta ngorukumonika umbese nkorwe kenyoreke kya Nyonsie se transformer ya ibubo tuko twatige ire gesunte ime kesunte kebe mpaka tore birero kiagera orocha bayiba chete butuko bakaira stime yenere to gukorera kirekemo nono gupima mabere buna intuna balimi ba mabere nero to gwakera mache nero to gosera chiombe endagera tuachandikire Togo saba kama Kenya Power bana ba wanja barusie transformer yenya bako gotokonya babeke transformer ye ese skulu igari moinari eso obolindi bokari togo saba igo naende kabere togo saba abasikari police station etoke angena se itoga mosocho ngare na indu tutware police station iga bamanya none patrol mugambi kagukora na abwata abasikari bae bagukora ki bakomubwatisie gasi naende gento naende togo saba none mosoche gari teyo ya polisi okoenda mosocho gwata bu gari teyo mosocho togo saba na barabu egari naende ekoreki etoke mosocho ementu egari ende etoke mosocho gaiga tobwata bokongbuna bonyonsi numero chimbi yegente ke kyakorekana
Omora ibwa barabange asebunge Kimani Chungwa ni gabaine keria bananchi buna serikali ya Kenya Kwanza nsobora iwa Dr. William Samoei Ruto amana mokonyo Rigathi Gachagua ni wabegete emerobere mekirano yoko inekia buna magendero aberiga korokana ase aba Kenya bonsi ukwana chinga kikirana ase umusangirekano bwa masabo ase kanisa ya St. Mark's Committee Parish imeye county ya Kiambu Ichungwa nigo aganiria barai bonsi kwenekia buna ngocha baramo na gosira naso kwenekia magendera gakoenekiwa na kubagania mono gotiga gokora siasa chubugisaku no musangirikano bagwikiraniwa nabarai akorwa serikali bakorawa no mokonyi bumurai wense Rigathi Gachagua.
Hapa sisi watu wa Kiambu tulipigia kura serikali yetu ya Kenya Kwanza UDA, wewe na Rais William Ruto to the man. Sisi wote ndio uliona wabunge wetu wote isipokuwa mmoja ambaye pia tunafanya kazi na yeye Mheshimiwa Kororia ni wa chama chetu cha UDA, and 90% of our MCAs ni UDA. And therefore we have a big stake in the UDA government and ensuring that we support you and the president to attain all the promises and the pledges that we made to the people of Kenya. If there's anybody in this country who still has a doubt as to whether the people of Kenya have put ethnic politics behind us, they should just look at the elections of 2022 and they will know that the elections of 2022 were the first and final referendum on ethnic and personality cult politics in our country. Ningewauliza sisi wote, tuweke siasa za ukabila nyuma, tuangalie Kenya as one united nation to accommodate each and every one of us the way we live harmoniously in Kiambu.
Ekiombe kia banyagetari chinasimense ya Kenya Union of Nurses nigo kiago sereire goje kubwatana na banyagetari bande ase okogenda umugiro bwemeremo onye ekiombe keria getenerete o mesara mense ya Kenya Salary Standard Remuneration Commission SRC kigo chia wetia okoigwana uko babeire bakobeka asoko ineke buna magani ababere kago ikirani wairo ko bachinga kinyororo ase obokoreri korengana batenene likorwa ase ekiombe kioni batebire na ababere bawetera chinga kichingongu segeke tambe amagani abatare atanyago ikiraniwa gento batere na nigo barachie ko tiga kogenda semeremo egoika babere bakurigererwa na baiga magani abo ko ikiraniwa.
Huwezi kuambia wafanyakazi utaweka kwa kandarasi ya kudumu alafu baadaye kesho unapatilika bila hata kutuambia sisi, na umetuambia sisi na tumeambia wafanyakazi ambao tunaongoza. Wanatuona sisi kama wakora, wanatuona sisi kama watu ambao hatujui kitu tunafanya. Zile barua leo nikichukua barua kutoka kwa wizara na nipatie wafanyakazi niwaambie hii ndio serikali imesema, watasema hiyo ni uongo. Hiyo barua imetoka River Road. We have no trust in instruments from government. Government must work as a jointed institution. It cannot work as a disjointed institution. A human body must work with all systems working. One hand cannot deny what the other hand is doing. I'm very much afraid this government is letting us down.
The contradictions, the controversies that are being meted on the health workers in this government are getting to a point of distorting everything in health sector.
Homonogeri mbwe serikali Isaac Mwaura nigo abwatukira robot ko bwatkana n'umucano wetu igo yogendrete kwene kiwas chinsemo ao emergency ya Kenya korengana na Mwaura nigo chinsemo chinyinge chirachiye kogendra kwene kia umuchando iga kubwatkana nembure nyinge gati yawo chinsemo cha Western na asegati yechi county nabo igo Lake Victoria Basin, Rift Valley, Nairobi, Central Eastern nabo igo Orogongorwa Coast asagendrete kurwo kuboria gusa korengana nera terevune serikali ya ruro kuboria abantu bali bamyete asinsemo chirikagere wakwa n'umucando igaba be bakunganya asentremo yo kubeka amagimabo ase agiya chinga kiboga serikali agendera kubeka emeroberio emekano yo kwene kyabuna abantu babere bagotoriwa.
The country continues to endure heavy rainfall, especially in the Lake Victoria Basin, the Rift Valley, highlands west and east of Rift Valley, including Nairobi area and southeastern lowlands. Sadly, these conditions are expected to persist with a heavy rainfall extending to northern Kenya even today. Occasional moderate to heavy rainfall is likely to continue over the western region, that is Kakamega, Vihiga, Busia, Bungoma, and Trans Nzoia counties. Also Lake Victoria Basin, that is Kisumu, Kisii, Nyamira, Migori, Siaya, and Homa Bay. In the Rift Valley, we have Nandi, Bomet, Nakuru, Elgeyo Marakwet, West Pokot, Baringo, Uasin Gishu, Laikipia, Kajiado, Nairobi. All of them, Narok, they are covered. Then we come to Central, we have Nyeri, Murang'a, Kirinyaga, Kiambu, and Nyandarua. And then Eastern, we have Machakos, Embu, Tharaka Nithi, Meru, Makueni, and Kitui. So you can see the whole of that, and Nairobi also, which is the most affected. The coastal strip, Kwale, Mombasa, Kilifi, and Lamu, there is expected to have heavy rainfall because Cyclone Hidaya has already hit the Tanzania and mainland, but because of that, there is a lot of wind.
Ngakyecho Mwaura nigabaga kwene kyabuna omubaro bwabari abasiririe obugima bwabo kubwatkana n'umucando w'egweto igo ngogendrete comment kana abwasabanto kyanda babere bagosiri obugima bwabo ase Chinsa emeronko ebere nanye koirero omubaro yo comment kana goika abantu chimibere meronko ebere na batano batatu nigo atere na serikali nige kubwatke ngora ya bene gochase chiamate echio chianyorire owako kona kote kwene kyabuna nigo emerobere mikirano egendrete kobe kwa eriyo kwene kiabuna abakenya babere bagotoriwa kurwase umucando w'etoigo.
We do mourn the loss of 9 lives in the past 24 hours, and that includes 7 adults and 2 children, bringing the total floods-related toll to 228 across the country. The government conveys its heartfelt condolences to friends and families who have lost their loved ones. This is a very serious market increase. The last time we did a briefing, or we communicated on a Sunday like this, the people who had lost their lives last Sunday were only 90. But today, as we speak, is 228. So that gives you a very serious number, a very serious increase of about 138 people. And that's quite something. That's quite something. So let us not take it very lightly. And the government sends its most heartfelt condolences to families and friends of those who have been affected. In Getugi ward in Murang'a County, for example, they've lost six people. There are 50 families living at Ngoto Primary School, and also the 15 homes have been destroyed. About 70 people have been affected there. There is going to be a mass burial this coming Friday. So you can see how this has affected people, and it's not easy.
Mwancho muri bana roboti ona rogotoreta umwerio bwa Amayia Chinsa Ikomi ya senchera ere yo wenge ekera bakenya bagendera kubori wakwene kyabuna nko babare maiso ko bwatkana netoigo atwara o mo CDF Chief of Defense Forces General Charles Kahariri nigabereka go chake bokareri bwa ebene ase abereka go tarera ensemo ya maimayu awase abantu abange babete bagosire magimabo ko bwatkana netoigo yabete ko enekiwa ko bwatkana no watka wedam ase Chinsa micho na mange togendereta go kwariganira kuri SMS Amayia yorats kunyora senchira yo bwikirano ekrera ragense monta boigo Chinsa isato chamugoroba munarabe gakoretwa sore nere Josephat Amisi miamona asbali mwensi mogenderete go to bwate Chinsa moche mitandao chiuchumbe korwase bali bagenderete to bwate ase ensemo ya Facebook nindo chekega Edwin Matagaro Brown Onchare oteba unano are tiunda nyanga Junior miamona sogo to bwate Dolphin Mora na genderete to bwate The Spoiler Queen oteba no are meyo moroberio Honorable Julius Omosomba korwa Amasakara Settlement Scheme Nyamira County miamono ase ogochora Ndizi TV Sergeant John Canvis oteba no aturigeret korwa ase chinsemo chia engoto go TDOK oteba no are member komere miamona makwani ao abereka gotoikera gaiga Ndizi TV yule mumoja nera oteba na gendrete go to bwatia kigima miamona asbalia mwensi mogende to bwate korwa chinsemo au nyora semero binansi ya Ndizi TV na bawata nyora sensemo ya Facebook wetra Ndizi TV News Digital sensemo ya YouTube wata wetra Ndizi TV News ase website ito na boko ya soma chinsemero nkebere na nye wetra www.ndizitv.net erio togenre gusanga asobwa mereterane Everlyne Osero Kevin Mugambi nerene kiachi bicha erio gichawe kera senchre abene twaro buryo rubya na boigo emagoroba erentoereru